Good morning, kids. Jai Swaminarayan. Hey, kids. See, I have many pens. But on this side, I have only one pen. How many pens are there? One. See. And on this side, I have many pens. So, keep in mind, this is one and many. One and many. One and many. So today we are going to learn one and many in our book. So let's see. See, in the same book on page number 32, one and many. So before starting this lesson, we will write the date. It is 19th October 20, right? See and understand. This is one boat and these are many boats, right? Now see, we have few pictures over here. These are the things which we can see in our classroom. Observe the things that are only one in number in the classroom and tick their pictures. Observe the things that are many in number and cross their pictures. So now you think about your classrooms. The thing which we can see only one in our classroom, we will tick that first. Okay. See blackboard? Yes, one. Only one. Dustbin? Only one. Fan? No, we have many in our classroom. Windows are also. Teacher? Yes, only one teacher at a time in the classroom. Table and chair? Yes, this also. We can see only one. Duster also. We can see only one in the classroom. But the books? No, there are many books in the class. Fans also. We have many fans. More than one in our classroom. Water bottle also, we can see many water bottles. School bags also. There are many in the classroom. Windows are more than one. We can see many drawing boards during the drawing class in our classroom. And these benches also. There are many in the classroom. Now see, on the next page, we have a small exercise. Circle the things that are many in number in each set. So we have to circle the things which are many in number. So what is it? One and many. So we will circle many. Many, one. So circle this many. Many, one. So we will circle this many. One and many. So kids, please speak out the word one and many. Okay? And complete this exercise. Color the things that are only one in numbers. Now see. This smiley is only one. So please color this. This is again your homework. So you have to color this only. Then see, one pot. So color this too. And one mango. So we will color this mango too. So color these three pictures. Okay? See you kids. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Good morning kids. Jai Swaminarayan. Hey kids, in book number 5, on page number 7. Write down the date first. It is 19th October 20, right? Now today we will learn letter Q, capital and small 2. See, Q says queen. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Now this quilt we use to keep ourselves warm. Okay? Q for quill. How to write Q? Start from here, from the top, in this way. like O. Then draw one slanting line. Okay, capital letter Q. Now small letter Q. First we will make C, small letter C. Okay, then one standing line and end with the curve. Okay, done. Now this one is your homework. So you know you have to color these two pictures. Okay, now see on the next page. See, Q for question mark. Q for quail. Okay, now see, trace and write letter Q. Start from this dot. First we will draw a circle in this way from red line to second blue line. Done. It's like O, capital letter O, and then draw one slanting line in this way from red line to second blue line, and then a small slanting line. Done. Capital letter Q. Now see, small letter Q. Trace and write letter Q. See, again we will start from this dot. Write it as C, small letter C, within two blue lines. Then one standing line in this way from first blue line to red line, last red line, and then a curve. Done. See again. Done. Okay, so complete these two pages and this also. Now we will solve this exercise. Circle the pictures that begin with Q sound. Q for quail. So we will circle this. Q for umbrella? No, it's wrong. So we will not circle this. Q for question mark. Q for queen. Done. Write Q below the pictures. Now, see, we will write Q. See, Q for question mark, Q for quilt, Q for quill, Q for queen, Q for quill. So please kids, complete this homework. Bye-bye. See you. Have a nice day. Good morning kids. Jai Swaminarayan. Same book on page number 55. On water. Say the names of these vehicles that move on water. We already have done all these things in our online classes. Okay. Now you know. The vehicles that move on water are ship, boat, yacht. Come on, repeat the words with me. These are water transport. Ship, boat, yacht. Okay? So please identify the picture and name too. Now turn the page. Color only the vehicles in which we travel on water. So, this is again your homework. So, color this picture. This is a yacht, see a boat and a ship. So, you have to color these three pictures. Okay? See you kids. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.